Hi, my name's Kaylee Roberts. Today I'm going to be giving a grade 3 social studies lesson. We're going to be looking at standard 3, which is geography. We're going to examine different kinds of maps to identify and define their components, including key, title, legend, cardinal, and intermediate directions, scale, and grid. Let's start off by looking at some types of maps. Our first one is a political map. Political maps show the state and national boundaries of a place, and they show the location of cities in respect to each other. We can see the title of this map is Political Map of the World. Titles are important when looking at maps so that we know what we're looking at. In this political map, we see all the different countries that are arranged in different colors, so it makes them easier to identify. On this map, we can see the United States here in pink and how Canada is in orange just above it. We can also see all the different countries in the whole world. Our second type of map is a physical map. A physical map shows the physical features of a place or country, like rivers, mountains, forests, and lakes. On this map, the title is United States, the Physical Landscape. On this map, we can see different mountain ranges and the blue rivers that flow through the United States. Our next map is a topographical map, and topographical maps show the different elevations of places and areas. The title of this map is Topographical Map of the United States of America, and on this map we have a key which is down here on the bottom. And our key shows us the different colors that represent the different elevations. On this map, we can see that the west coast of the United States is much higher in elevation. We can see that from the purples and blues, and the east coast of the United States is much lower in elevation, as we can see in the reds. Our next map is a climate map. Climate maps show different information about different climates in different areas. On this map, our key indicates the different climates of the different regions. We can see on this map that the upper areas are purple, which means that it's very cold, and white, which means that it's all ice. Areas like Australia have different colors like red and orange, which means that it's a lot warmer there. Our next map is called a resource map. Resource maps can also be referred to as an economic map. These types of maps show different resources that are available in different areas. Our title for this map is United States Resources, and we have our key right here. And with this key, it gives us symbols that show what the different resources are in the different states. We can see that Texas has a lot of resources for oil. We can see states like Washington and Oregon have a lot of tree and forest resources. States like Utah and Arizona have resources like coal and copper. The last map that we're going to look at today is a road map, and this is the most common map that people use today. This is a road map of Watertown City. On this map, we can see the highways are in yellow and our regular roads are white, and each road is named. This type of maps helps people navigate how to get from one place to another very easily by following the roads. Now that we know some general information about maps, let's look at this map of New York. First, let's find where the title is. We see it at the top, and the title is New York. Next, let's look at our key. In the bottom section, we can see our key right here, and it looks like it's telling us the different elevations. So based on that, what type of map is this? We know that maps that tell us different elevations are topographical maps. So this is a topographical map of New York State. Looking at our key, which area has the highest elevation in New York? We can see that the darkest parts right here are going to be in the Adirondack Mountains. Looking at our key, which area has the lowest elevation? We can see that Long Island is dark green, which means that it's the closest to the sea level, which means that it's the lowest in elevation. On this map, we can see the different rivers that flow through the state, as well as the blue lakes. And it also tells us the major cities like Watertown, Plattsburgh, Syracuse, Rochester. Thank you for watching my social studies lesson on geography and learning about maps. And these are my resources.